to insert or delete rows or columns in Microsoft Excel. In Excel, you can easily insert or delete rows or columns to better organize your worksheet. So in today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the easiest and quickest way to insert or delete rows or columns in Microsoft Excel. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that at the end of the video you will get an idea to insert or delete rows or columns in Microsoft Excel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First thing first, open Microsoft Excel, and on any sheet you will see different cells. So in order to insert or delete rows or columns in Microsoft Excel, the first thing you need to do is you need to select a cell. Once you select any cell, you need to click on the Home Insert at the top of the screen. And from this drop down menu box you will see different options. Simply you need to select whether you want to insert the sheet rows or you want to insert sheet column. Suppose you would like to insert sheet column, you can click on insert sheet columns and a new column has already been added and inserted here. But unfortunately, if you would like to delete this inserted columns which you find unnecessary, then you can easily select any cell and then click on delete at the home tab, and then you need to click on delete sheet columns or delete sheet rows, whichever you feel like. And again, if you wish to insert new columns or you want to insert new row, then you can easily again click on any cell and then click on insert. Then let's click on insert sheet rows, and as you can see that a new row has already been inserted. Again, you can also click on insert and insert sheet rows, and the two rows has already been added here. But if you don't find it necessary, then you can easily select it and click on delete and delete sheet rows. So that is how we easily insert or delete rows or columns in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment. If you are new to our channel, subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.